Do you want to skyrocket the productivity of your factory or plant? Every year, it is estimated that $50 billion is lost for unplanned downtime. 42% of that occurred due to equipment failure. We understand that you still face issues even after following rigorous preventative maintenance schedules. Especially at your faraway sites, does your maintenance personnel attend breakdown calls on time? Thanks to remote monitoring solution from CONSYST, it helps you be smart, detect problems early, and respond proactively. Save time and get notified of alerts. Our remote monitoring system is designed to integrate even with legacy equipment. Easy remote access. Service personnel can quickly access through installed apps. Reliable monitoring. Status of all equipment can be monitored anytime, anywhere. Try connecting a few equipment with the platform, and if it makes sense, add more equipment. Let us know if you want to keep an eye on temperature of cold storages remotely. Analyze energy consumption at a process manufacturing plant. Monitor performance of multiple solar PV plants remotely. Manage hydroelectric power plant assets remotely, or want to operate water wells, pumping stations, and water treatment plants remotely.